The ruling party ZANU-PF has unleashed its leaders and structures to the ground across the country to intensify political campaigns for the continuous constitutional amendments to extend Mnangagwa's term and make far-reaching changes to the nation's political electronic governance system. Sadapita mashoko kubuda panguva iri uchinzi aiwa ZANU-PF yodeploya aiwa kuri kuonekwa kunzi kwazara maleaders ezano nemastructures paground aiwa kune nzvimbo dzakasiyana siyana. Panguva inoyi vachiuya vachizokampena pamusoro pemaconstitutional amendments. Zvisatapera mashoko yemaconstitutional amendments ari kuonekwa kunzi anoda kuextenda term yapresident Mnangagwa nemaparliamentarians pamwe chete nekuchinja the nation's political, the nation's electoral, and the nation's governance system. That was subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipina panapa mnamuda kwa ZANU-PF unleashes leaders structure. When you try to insiders say campaigns will dramatically intensify after the party Politburo and Central Committee meetings on Wednesday and yesterday respectively. ZANU-PF wants to cover the length and breadth of the country during the coming public consultations conducted by Parliament using its leaders and MPs while leveraging its structures from cell branches, wards, districts, provinces and national to deliver support for its position. Zimbabwe is divided into 10 administrative provinces, which are also further divided into 64 districts and some 1,970 wards. Doma developments aripo panguva ino ZANU-PF ichideploya vanhu kuti aiwa vanokampena pamusoro penhau ye2030. Pina comment section medu uzafungura aim kuti kudai pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like on the bell icon.